Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your first deposit on kucoin. So just log into my official account and I will just tap on the deposit button, and after inside here you will see if you want to deposit in crypto you can select the coin, and if you want to fiat currency like euro and USDT and which you country from, so you can just deposit in these currencies. Fiat currencies mean national currencies. So but right now I just created my account, and but after copy your deposit address and paste it to the withdraw platform, then you can proceed to deposit the asset into your kucoin account. And just like I explained you how to deposit fiat currency, you will also deposit cryptocurrency this way also, same way. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.